So first of all, we just need to go to our folder where our Python files are placed. So this is the place, and we just go here and then type cmd. This is for opening the command prompt at the specified location. So now our command prompt has been opened. Let's just open our Python files as well. So this is my server.py file and this is my client.py file. We have implemented the server here and the client here. Okay, so now we'll try to execute server first. So as per the assignment, you need to pass localhost and port number. Okay, so now to execute in a Python file, you can write py slash py and space file name, or you can also use Python in place of py. Both will work. Now we'll give the host name, that is localhost, and we'll give the port number for the localhost on which our server will execute. So now server is being executed. So now we need to execute our client as well. From the same place, we need to open the command prompt, and you can use py or Python. This time I'm using Python. Previously I used py. Okay, here also we need to give the host name on which the server will start, and the port name as well. Port name should be same. And apart from that, we need to give x and y, value of x and y. Okay, so let's just 8 and 6 only. Okay, so whatever we have implemented, first we have implemented multiplication, so the result is here. Division, so the result is here. Addition, result is here. Subtraction, result is here. Okay, and at the end we are displaying the current time. So this is it. Let's just take a screenshot of each Python files. Server. Okay, so now the client. Okay, so now the output of the server. This is our server executing. How many times our server has been executed from the client, and that number of time it will display like at this. Okay, on the, this is 127.0.0.1 is actually localhost. It's saying that on localhost at this time, post call of RPC to HTTP call 1.1 was called, and these are the status code, like 200 is okay. We have provided status, I mean response successfully. So if we provide successfully response, then status code is 200. Else there are different codes as per the situation. Like for failure it is different, and for different kind of failure it has different kind of status code. So now let's take server cmd. So now we'll click in a screenshot of client CMD. Okay, and now uh, there is nothing much left now, but we'll just implement once this again to show you divide by zero case, because in the assignment we have already been mentioned to handle that zero by divide by zero. So in this case we have handled, and we will see the results. So as you can see, divide by zero is infinity. 8 divided by 0 is infinity. So we'll also take this screenshot. So client CMD2. Okay. So I guess we are done with screenshots, and now we need to place that screenshot in a Word file, I guess. Paste your code completely at each step of the test. Take a screenshot and embed it into a Word document. Okay, I'll just create a new Word document, blank file. Okay, and first of all, server.py. Okay, not the server. Uh, okay. Server execution on CMD. Okay, and we'll insert the image here. Uh, this one is the server case. This one is the server. Insert. Before that, I guess we can also add the codes. You can remove if you want. Server.py. So I'm adding the server.py as well. I'm adding the screenshot of the py files. This is server.py. Okay. Uh, Apart from that, I'll add .py as well. Screenshot of client.py. So this is the server.py, this is client.py, this is the server executing on CMD, and now client executing on CMD. Okay, client CMD. Okay, this is the first one, with value of x and y as 8 and 6. Apart from that, we have one more uh, case. We'll just add that as well. Divide by 0 case. This is this one. Okay, so we have added all those screenshot successfully. So now we will add that to the same folder, and we'll name it what's the name of the assignment? Distributed computing. Saved, So this has been saved now, and I'll send the link of the video as well. So that's it. If you have any query, just let me know. I don't think there's much in this assignment left. I've completed it. Thank you.